story began. I was born where the river bends on Burramattagal land, where the old ones walked beside us and the sky held every hand. Country was our teacher, firelight our guide. Stories of our ancestors carried on the tide. But ships came sailing to our shore with fences, laws and fear, and a little girl was taken far away from here. Stone walls and quiet prayers in words I did not know, but in my heart the river was the only place to go. I am Maggie of the river, child of Burramatta land. Though the world tried to change me, my spirit still stands. Through the years and through the sorrow, through the silence and the flame, the river kept my story and remembered my name. I found love beside a blacksmith on the wide and dusty plain, and 14 children followed like the river after rain. Through the mountains and the valleys, our roots began to grow. Quiet strength and family were the only truths I know. They laid me down with no stone, no marker there to see, but the river still remembers, and it carries part of me. I am Maggie of the river, and my story still remains. Through the blood of many children and the memory of my name. We walk the river she once knew, following footprints through the blue. Down where Burramatta waters flow, there's a story in the earth below, carried through the blood and bone, in whispers we have always known.
A woman strong through changing days, holding fire through hidden ways. Though the world tried to make her small, her spirit never left us all.
Through every year and every mile, her strength was walking all the while. We are children of the river, Darug blood still running strong. Through the silence of the ages, we are finding where we belong. Through the stories long unspoken, through the truth we now reclaim. From the past into tomorrow, we will carry Maggie's flame. Generations walked in quiet pride, holding truths they had to hide. But time is turning, hearts are strong, calling back the old song.
Hands in soil, feet on land, learning stories once banned. Every name and every place brings us closer to embrace. We are children of the river, Darug blood still running strong. Through the silence of the ages, we are finding where we belong. Through the stories long unspoken, through the truth we now reclaim. From the past into tomorrow, The river remembers every story, every name. Before the ships and fences came, before the world had changed, the river carried ancient songs across the Burramatta plains. Firelight and footsteps echo through the land. Old voices still are rising from the dust and river sand. What was buried still survives in country blood and living land. We are the river of the Darug. We are the river of the Darug. Flowing strong and flowing free. Through the past and through the future, our spirit walks this country. Through the stories of our mothers, through the strength our fathers gave. Like the river through the valley, our culture will remain. From mountain wind to valley floor, the old songs rise again, carried in the voices of our daughters and our men. What was quiet now stands tall across the ancient land. The